proud. Smile sharp like blade. Tell the world she upgrade. Call it parade. Me hear about the youth where all our ways talk loud and sweet, still like real bass. Me grind it heavy, nights full of fire. Promise the sun, moon, live higher. Now she fling shades, so she level up life. But love no swap soul, just be switch man title. Tell her she the man can rate this fire. Can't touch the roots where build desire. Gold pan skin, I mean pure and clean. History strong, no erase we been. She know the truth when the silence call. Some connections no crumble nor fall. Them say happiness loud when it fake inside. Real joy move, quiet like tide. She dress fresh, post screen for the scene. But me know the tears wet drown between that youth flash cash, dark eye. Beer chat still run from storms when pressure get hot. Me scars earn wisdom, pain makes sense. Real man fought through consequence. Can't replace sweat with pretty display. Time reveal, I'll just watch and wait. She feel the pull when memory rise. Old flame burn deep behind brave eyes. No costume fix where spirit lack. Truth always circle and double back. She know the band no come cheap or light. Certain ties hold firm through day and night. Me nah beg return or chase no name. Stand firm, tall, still room in lane. If she circle back with regret tone, me heart stay guarded, lessons grown. Love not tie for trade like gear. Some ungentle, some grip fear. Me wish our peace, still speak facts clear. Some kings unmatched, year after year. Certain flames blaze, fear no borrow glow. Original heat always show. She feel the gap when the music slow. Some rhythms hit deeper, that she know. No replacement for soul and spine.